Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hana Beauty. And you know, self-care is a long journey that I'm really happy to joining with you on that journey to helping you healthier and beautiful every day. And if this is your first time here, please subscribing and hit the bell button to get all the notification of our latest video. You know, every woman desires a perfect and glowing skin, whether you are a student, homemaker, or a working professional. It's good and important to have a good skin. And our skin is fragile and exposing it to harmful chemicals is always a huge risk to take. Stressful lifestyle, hectic work schedules, inadequacy, lack of nutrient diet, pollution, harmful sun rays are the major factors which make your skin dull and dry. And all this part of your life and you cannot run away from them. However, you can surely prevent them. So today, I'm going to share you amazing tips to whitening formula that will work deeply on your skin and give you healthy and brightened skin. How to prepare honey and banana face pack for instant glowing skin. You will need a half of banana, a half tablespoon of honey, some yogurt and few drops of rose water. And what you have to do, take half a banana and mash it with the back of a fork. Bananas are great natural moisturizer for your skin. The vitamin A present in bananas restores a lot moisture and repairs damage, dull, and dry skin. Banana contains potassium which works great to heal dryness for your skin and add a beautiful glow to skin. Banana also helps to get rid of wrinkles and lines and smoothens the skin. Next one, to the mashed banana, add half teaspoon of honey, some yogurt, and few drops of rose water. Mix the ingredients nicely. The combination of banana and honey is nearly unbeatable when it comes to repairing dry and dull skin. Honey acts as natural humectant and absorbs moisture from the environment and locks it in the skin. Honey is also known for its ability to improve skin complexion and add radiance. Yogurt also contains lactic acid, which has bleaching properties. When applied on the skin, yogurt helps to remove dark and dead skin cells and also expose a layer of fresh new cells. Applying plain yogurt on the face and other parts of skin which has been darkened is very helpful in skin whitening. Yogurt moisturizes skin. If your skin needs a boost of moisture, you can try using a yogurt face mask to rejuvenate your skin. Yogurt also reduces wrinkles and fine lines, fights acne, face blemishes and pigmentation, reduces dark circles. Next one, apply this all over the face, let it dry naturally. And use lukewarm water to rinse it off. You need to repeat 2 and 3 times in a week for instant glowing skin. And you know, every woman is born with beautiful skin and it's up to your skincare. And after you follow these mantras and use these remedies, your face is bound to have that extra glow and charm. And now you know how to banana, honey and yogurt is good for your skin. And if you want to try it and tell the results, and don't forget subscribing and hit the bell button to get all the beauty tips from us.